Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to how to disable direct message on TikTok. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. TikTok has an enable because a great way of people to find the content they like, makes new friends, and connect with like-minded people just like any social media platform does, but you might want a bit more privacy on the app, and turning off direct message is might be the perfect solution. So how to do it? If you want to turn off, you want to disable the direct message on TikTok, it's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can go to settings by tapping on the bottom right here. You can go to your profile first. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to settings and privacy. You can choose on privacy. From here, you can just scroll down on the interaction section. There is an option direct message. You can just tap on that. Now you can choose on permission settings. You can manage for your potential connection. Potential connection refers to your followers. You will receive message from your potential connection in your message request unless you choose not to receive message at all. So if you don't want receive any message from your potential connection, you can just choose on don't receive. And when you turn off direct message for your potential connection, so you won't receive requests from others on TikTok too. So you can just choose on update settings. But if you only want to turn off message only for others on TikTok, you can just enable the request on your potential connection, and you can choose on others on TikTok. You can choose don't receive, so you want others won't be able to send you message on your TikTok account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off direct message on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.